Hi everybody, just want to quickly give you a comparison between Instant Pot and a typical rice cooker for this and that comparison video. As you can see, the Instant Pot is a pressure cooker, but you could also make it as a rice cooker. And the typical rice cooker, I think I made rice earlier. I haven't put in the fridge yet, but the rice cooker is just for different kinds of rice. It actually does more than you think. You can pick white rice or brown rice because brown rice obviously cooks longer. You can do a steam or a slow cook, and you could also just do keep warm. The Instant Pot pressure cooker, you can steam just like this one, and you can saute, but this one doesn't saute. And you can slow cook just like this one, and pressure cook is the number one thing in here. And in the baking, you can keep warm, you can just keep warm or delay cooking, same as this one. You can also delay here. So if you are out and about and then you want your food or rice to be warm when you get home, you just kind of delay the timer of like cook it 5 hours before or after. And the main thing here is, again, the pressure cooker. I actually, to be honest with you, I have not used this much for pressure cooker. I think I've used this multiple times to do the pressure cooker when I'm making beans from scratch. Other than that, not much, but this one I use all the time. Super fast. It cooks rice perfectly every single time, and it's super fast. This one, the rice cooker, is pretty average. It cooks fast as well, but the only thing here is there's so many parts to clean. When I do a rice cooker, there's so many parts that I would have to clean for rice cooker, whereas this one is just this one. But this has way more function than your typical rice cooker. And Instant Pot is such a great product, very sturdy. This is very heavy. This is on the lighter side, and both are great things to have in the kitchen. Price wise, this is way more expensive than this one, but this one is much more robust and heavier and does a lot more things. Overall though, I like having them both for two different things, although they may seem to do similar things too, but I just love having them both. I highly recommend.